Let's talk about turbocharged and the code P0246, which stands for Turbocharger Wastegate Solenoid A high. If you drive a turbocharged car like an Audi, Ford, or Volkswagen, you know that boost is what makes driving fun. But when this code hits, that fun usually disappears because your car will likely go into a low power mode to protect the engine. Essentially, your car's computer, the PCM, controls a little solenoid that opens and closes the wastegate to manage how much boost the turbo makes. This code means the computer is seeing high voltage on that circuit when it expects to see none, or it is seeing voltage when the solenoid should be off. It is almost always an electrical circuit fault, not necessarily a blown turbo, so do not go buying a new turbocharger just yet. The symptoms are pretty obvious. You hit the gas and the car feels flat, like it has no energy, and you will see that check engine light staring at you. To fix this, we need to play detective with the wiring. Locate the wastegate solenoid, which is usually right on or near the turbo. First, look at the connector. Is the plastic melted from the heat of the turbo? Are the wires inside frayed or touching each other? Heat and vibration are the enemies here. If the visual check passes, grab your digital multimeter. You want to disconnect the solenoid and measure the resistance across its two pins. If you get an infinite reading, or 0 ohms, the solenoid coil is cooked inside, and you just need a simple replacement part. If the solenoid is fine, you need to check the wiring going back to the computer. You are looking for a short to power, meaning a wire carrying 12 volts is accidentally touching the signal wire for the solenoid. You can also use a test light connected to the battery positive and touch the ground circuit while using a scan tool to command the solenoid on. If the light does not flicker, you have lost your ground path. It's a bit technical, but fixing a wire is a whole lot cheaper than replacing a turbo system, so it is worth the effort to diagnose it properly.